Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Ojha. Welcome to Nixie Ki Pathshala. Today we are going to study about parts of speech. So let's get started. In the previous class, I discussed about sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make a sense is called sentence. And those words are called parts of speech. So let's know what are parts of speech. First of all, let's see what is part of speech. What is part of speech? Those words that we use in a sentence that make a sense. How they will make a sense? When we use part of speech. So these words are categorized in different classes and those are called part of speech. What are they? Let's see. First is noun. Second is pronoun. Third is verb. Fourth is adverb. Fifth is adjective. Sixth is preposition. Seventh is conjunction. And eighth is interjection. In a sentence, what we use? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So let's see what are they. The first is noun. What is noun? When I talk about noun, noun is a word that is a name of a person, place or a thing. A word that is used as a name of a person or a place or a thing. Let's see its example. If I say Ram is a good boy. Here I am talking about Ram. This is a person. Here boy is also person. Okay, so these are noun. Ram is also noun here and boy is also noun. So let's see next. Pronoun. A word that is used instead of noun is called pronoun. जो वर्ड हम नाउन की जगह यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. हमेशा अगर आप देखेंगे कि हमेशा हम नाउन ही नहीं यूज़ करेंगे इन अ सेंटेंस. सपोज इफ आई से राम इज़ माई फ्रेंड नेम इज़ इन राम and Ram is a good boy, he studies in this class. So we will not use Ram in every sentence. What we will gonna do, we will denote it as he. Okay, so this is called pronoun that we use instead of noun. We can use he, she, it, they, okay, etc. There are so many words that we use as a pronoun which we use instead of noun, in place of noun. Suppose if I say my friend name is Sita and she studies in class 10th. So I am denoting a person Sita. Here it is a noun, but we cannot use Sita in every sentence. Sita is my friend, Sita lives here, Sita have 2 pets. Like we cannot use Sita in every sentence. So we denote it with she. So instead of using Sita, here I use she as a pronoun. Third is verb. a word that is used to tell something about the noun in a sentence. Okay, suppose if I say Ram plays football. Here I have used plays. Okay, so verb that tells something about the noun Ram plays football. Without using this Ram football, it is not a meaningful sentence. Okay, without verb we cannot make a sentence. Or if I say that Sita studies Hindi, so here studies is a verb. If you haven't watched the previous videos where I've talked about a verb in detail, so please check out those videos. So let's move on to the next part of speech. Fourth one is adverb. A word that is used to add something to the meaning to the verb or an adjective, or you can say that another adverb that we are using in a sentence. What does this mean? Let's see. When I say she is very beautiful, here I have used very, and Ram runs quickly, I have used quickly. हम यहाँ verb के साथ quickly लगा रहे हैं. Ram runs quickly. मैं ऐसे भी कह सकती थी Ram runs. She is very beautiful. Here I have used very in the sentence. I can also say that she is beautiful, but I have used very in the sentence. This is called adverb. It adds something to the meaning, to whether it is a verb or I am using it with an adjective. Okay, so this is adverb.